OpenAI has officially introduced its new agent builder and AgentKit. This is the huge step forward for creating custom AI agents. According to OpenAI's official documentation, agent builders allows you to create, customize, and deploy your own AI agent directly within ChatGPT. It's an officially released feature from OpenAI designed to make AI creation easier and more visual. With the agent builder, you can define an agent's personality, tasks, and even how it interacts with the data or external tools using AgentKit. Now, what is Agent Builder? Agent Builder is OpenAI official interface to design and manage your own AI assistant that is also called agents. And each agent can customize with its own instruction, behavior, and purpose. For example, to write content, summarize data, or answer questions. When you open the Agent Builder, OpenAI provides a few ready-made templates you can start with. These templates are examples of how you can configure your own agents. In your browser, please type platform.openai.com/agent-builder. This will take you directly to the Agent Builder page. At the top, you could go ahead and create new customized agent for you. The first template we have is data enrichment. This enhances or completes raw data by filling the missing details or adding structured context. The second template we have is planning helper. This assists with scheduling, goal setting, or outlining step by step action plans. The next template we have is customer service. This responds to customer queries or facts using your own uploaded knowledge base. The next template we have is structured data QA. This allows the agent to answer questions from structured data like spreadsheet or databases. The next template we have is document comparison. This compares two or more documents or highlight difference or similarities. And the next and last template we have is internal knowledge assistant. This acts as an internal support tool that can answer company or team related questions based on uploaded documents. So that's the official overview of OpenAI's Agent Builder. What is it, where to find it, and what templates it offers? You can explore it yourself at platform.openai.com/agent-builder. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe ITPK. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.